Come back. Come back over here. Stand up so you can watch.
I know.
It's waiting for one bird to eat, then the rest will follow. Just don't make fast movements, okay? One eats, then the rest will follow. Just watch. Look, see? If it sees one eat, then all of them will come. Just move slowly, okay? Don't move fast. There was someone in the background. That's fine, they'll come back. Don't make sudden movements in about that. Okay, you can look like that, yeah. That's fine. No, 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 no. Make sure your hands are behind the railing. You're gonna scare them away.